All right, thanks for your help. So, this is an update on the peach trees, the coverings. It's worth the effort to go ahead and cover the peach trees as best we can. And you see that tree there is pretty massive. It's got a ton of peaches on it. And if we take little steps like this, maybe the squirrels and the birds won't take as many as they would if we did nothing. So these two peach trees covered here for right now. And some of the blueberry bushes are covered. Let's see here. I got 2 blueberry bush right there too, covered up. I think right now, as we go forward with the chores here, we want to string up these tomatoes. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes right here. May dump some extra soil into the potato bin here. And let's see how it's been raining a lot. Yeah, that's really nice. It's been raining a lot, so there's no need to water anytime soon there. But we got these 6 tomatoes that got to get supported. Now that we got the peach trees covered up to the best we can and care about, I think that's what I like the best around here. We used the row cover to cover up the strawberries. You see that they rip easily enough, but now we got 2 of them covering up this big peach tree. You have to think about things like this, what would be easier, but it's fun to do, and I had a partner, and it's teamwork. And I think next what we're going to do is, since digging out all the elderberry where necessary, right here, probably dig this one out when it's due, get ready for more blueberry. And again, a little disappointment, this one's not producing this year. This was a mass producer last year of blueberry. But it goes to show, you know, that's why we have more than one plant, because when one doesn't, the others will. Oh wow, these are good too. Now if you keep them out for a day or two, they'll be sweeter, they'll turn sweeter. When you pick them right away like this, they're a bit sour. I like it like that. Blackberry is nice. We don't have to worry about covering. They'll be coming in next. So we're going in order according to plan. And the kiwi still have a long way to go, at least a couple of months. But I'm behind on protecting the apple and the grape. I fear that that black rot may have gotten to them quicker than I can move, again, or care to move. But peas are coming in. Still, the strawberry produced well, harvested about 8 pounds. So today is June 20, Father's Day 2021. And the sugar snap peas, wow, that's a really good one. We'll come in, we'll tie these tomatoes up here to this net. But main chore makes me happy today. Got this peach tree covered as much as I care to, and maybe we'll get some peaches out of that one and this one, and one in the front yard. Grow your peaches in 3s and in successive years. So plant one year, and then the second one, the second year, and the third one, the third year, and every year you may have peaches. I like the Red Haven type from ediblelandscaping.com in Afton, Virginia. All right, there it is. Build and Grow 21. Getting it on. Get yours on and get prepared.